It's a 1952 BSA A7 500 twin. The motor looks to have been newly redone. It's mostly there and complete with some new parts, as you can see by the rear guard. It's got newly laced up wheels and reconditioned hubs and everything. Suspension has allegedly been done as well. Front and rear. So this has just been pieced together basically, so we can see what we've got here. The work that has been done nicely, looks to be okay. This tank is a bit of a special tank. I believe there's only one or two of them made. Looks to be a factory tank. There's quite a few duplicate parts with it. So we've got a lot of clutch parts, including a couple of hubs, plenty of plates. Plates look actually in pretty good nick if they're not brand new. A couple of 6-volt regulators, mag body, 6-volt generator that's in pieces, front generator and engine mounts, rear brake lever, got guard stays, seat springs, steering damper, which is repeat, new rubbers, rear guard stays, more guard stays, rear guard. It's a hinged type guard. Seems to be in reasonably good shape. An assortment of cables and bits and pieces. Springs and spare fork leg. The front brake. Needs a bit of work. Spare axle. Let's see by the clutch. It's teeth seem to be okay. Well, had a bit of wear, but no broken ones that I can see on that one. How much I probably could do with a bit of work, but It's there. Front pulley there, which of course corresponds to what's inside here. May have a few other spare bits and pieces lying around, but I thought there was some other levers somewhere. Perhaps not. So basically it's just sitting there, it's all pieced together. Don't have a speedo for it at this point, and I believe that they are probably A10 headers, probably good for a pattern. There's no side stand, it does have the centre stand.